how to use Gemini to make phone calls. So if you want Gemini to make phone calls, then just watch this video. First, all you need to have is an Android phone or tablet, and make sure that you have an active mobile phone plan. After that, the Gemini app should be installed and set up on your mobile. Now, in my case, I already have my Gemini application. If you don't have the application, then you can open up your Play Store, and from your Play Store, you can go with search, and under search, you need to search for Gemini. Once you've searched, if you have the application, then you just need simply go and install it. After installing, you need to just open it up and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once done, you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to go with search and search for assistant. Or you can also search for gesture shortcuts. You need to just simply tap on gesture. And then here under the assistant, you may have Google Assistant, right? So from Google Assistant, you need to switch to Gemini. You need to open up your Gemini, go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and then just scroll down. And here, if you've not switched your assistant to Gemini Assistant, then you will have an option to switch. You need to just simply go and switch. After switching, just tap on settings. Under Gemini settings, you'll have an option of contact info from your devices. So tap on it, and then you need to go and toggle on the button for save contact info from your signed in devices. After that, you need to go back and then scroll down and then go with digital assistants from Google. And here you need to go and select Gemini. Once you've selected Gemini, now you can open the Gemini app, and then you need to ask Gemini to make a call using your natural language. Like, for example, you can go with call mom, or can you call and give a contact name. And once you've done, then Gemini Assistant will make phone call. It's similar to Google Assistant. That's it. That's how you can use Gemini to make phone calls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.